Hi everyone. Not good night. Good morning. This is like what, Saturday morning. So I just finished packing all the stuff for tomorrow, and I just want to show you something so cute. And while I was packing, while I was cleaning, like wherever I'm doing, I have something that follows me everywhere, and she would not stop crying if she doesn't if she's not next to me. And I think it's the cutest thing ever. So you want to guess what it is? Yes, if you're thinking of the little furry friend, which is my little cute Cookie that I'm taking care of right now. She's 9 months old, and she is so cute, guys. Look at this. Hi. See that? Right here. So this is Cookie. So Cookie is 9 weeks old, and she follows me everywhere. Cookie. Here, let me see if you can see her. Yep, there she is. Cookie. Cookie. There. See? So I put her in my bathrobe. Here, let's see if this works. See, she's like this. Isn't that so cute? Cookie. So she lies like this and she sleeps like this. So this is Cookie. Cookie là giống chuẩn, pure breed, bichon frise, and she's one of the 4 pups that was born in this litter. And she's super cute. Look, she's resting like right in my bathrobe. See that? See? Wait, let's see. There we go. Hi, Cookie. Dễ thương cho các bạn đó. Kelly ha, làm việc nhà nè, đứng ngồi hay là làm không cần biết, nhưng mà cứ theo Kelly nè. Đó. Hỏi sao không thương cho được đó. Ngủ gục mà vẫn muốn ngồi với mình. Đây, Kelly ẵm bé ra cho các bạn xem nha. Okay, Cookie. Cookie. Come here. Okay. So this is our little Cookie. Hi everyone. There she is. Đây nè các bạn. Để Kelly bấm cho xem. Ta-da! So this is baby Cookie. She is 9 weeks old, and she follows me everywhere. I come home and she giật ngục quá, so she run out of the fence to welcome me. And this is her. Cookie. Here, let's see if I can sit down and let you see her, okay? So Cookie is available for adoption. Taking care of her right now. She's fully potty trained. So she goes to the washroom on either pee pad or newspaper. See? So this is Cookie. Cookie, look at her. Aww. Em đẹp như thiên thần, Cookie. I want to bring her tomorrow to our fundraiser, nhưng mà Kelly, I'm gonna be so busy and I can't take care of her. So if I bring her, you guys could come by and visit us at our Better Futures for Kids fundraising booth. But too bad I can't bring her tomorrow. But you're welcome to come and visit her. If any family would like to adopt Cookie, you can come and visit her at my home. Right here. Look at that. Oh. she sleeps with me. Các bạn nào mà chưa có bao giờ nuôi cún thì giống này là giống bichon frise, là giống khác, bé là giống chuẩn, cho nên cái temperament của nó rất là friendly, rất là sweet, dễ thương vô cùng các bạn, rất hiền, ngoan, đó, hiểu ý người và thông minh nữa các bạn. Đó, nhìn cái mặt như vậy thôi nhưng mà ngây thơ vô số tội luôn á. Nó thích quấn quýt với người, cho nên á các bạn nào mà ok rồi. Các bạn nào mà I'm growing out my bangs, guys. It's so annoying. Bang is great for like a few months, but when it grows out, it's just, oh my gosh. Ủa, sao chảy máu vậy ta? Oh my gosh, my feet is bleeding. I didn't do it. What? Sao kỳ vậy? Oh my gosh. Anyway, okay. Well, good night, everyone. We'll see you tomorrow at the Better Futures for Kids booth. Okay, come by and support us. We're selling gỏi cuốn and nước, Thai bubble tea and cà phê sữa đá Việt Nam. So we'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye bye, Cookie. Bye bye bye. Bye everyone. Okay, bye.